Hello, this is Patricia Holmes, and I am your U.S. Government instructor. And this is a quick tutorial on how to locate your work for the class assignments. So each assignment is in a folder. So, for example, our first assignment will be Understanding the U.S. Government Foundations. And if you open up this folder by clicking this arrow, you'll see a drop down. Within this folder, there are 2 chapters of notes, a discussion board, and a mini project. These 2 chapters of notes will be supplemented with video tutorials, but let me show you also how to use the discussion board. If you click on this link, you'll see the question I am asking you, and the question is, after what 2 events dramatically changed the relationship with King George III in the colonies? And this will make sense to you once we go through our chapter notes. But if you look at what I wrote here, the 13 colonies were self-governed for over 100 years while giving allegiance to the monarch. But something dramatically changed in that relationship. Discuss 2 possible events that occurred. Include the effects of these events. So what you'll do is you'll come right over here. You'll post taxes, or you'll post your answers. If you look back at history, taxes is always the problem. And then after you write out your 2 possible events that occurred, including the effects of these events, you'll hit post. And then if you want to reply, of course, to a previous post, you can hit reply. And it's very straightforward and simple, and post your reply here. Okay, so that's it for this brief tutorial on your each unit. Again, has a folder and what you can find inside each folder. Thanks for listening.